Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited because today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes, which is homemade macaroni and cheese. This particular recipe only requires 3 ingredients. It is super easy, it is super delicious, it's super cheesy, and I can't wait to get started. So let's jump right in. The only ingredients you'll need are 16 ounces of dried ziti pasta, or 1 box, about 12 ounces of whole milk mozzarella, and 12 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. That's it. The tools you will need are a 9x13 casserole dish, a large pot or Dutch oven, this one here is 6.5 quarts, a spoon for mixing, and a cheese grater or food processor to shred that cheese. That's it. To make this frickin' deliciousness, bring 4 to 5 quarts of salted water to a boil. Then add your pasta. Once the water returns to a boil, set your timer for a minute or 2 longer than the pasta package directions say, or else your noodles will be too dry. While your pasta is cooking, it's time to shred the cheese. You could use a cheese grater, but fuck that noise. We have a food processor, so let her rip. Time to assemble. Start with a layer of pasta, then add your cheese. Repeat until your vessel is full. Remember to reserve some cheese to get a crispy top. Warning, any leftover noodles may be pilfered by a sus. In this case, my boo, Corey.
And I could say that Corey steals a fucking noodle.
Good.
Place your ambrosia into an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set a timer for 20 minutes. After 15 minutes or so, check it. The noodles have a tendency to burn. When the cheese is all crispy and delicious looking, you're done.
And there we have it. Super easy and super cheesy homemade macaroni and cheese. 3 ingredients, and let me tell you, it is fucking delicious. Delicious. Oh my god, fuck. Really good, guys. Links to the Ninja we used to shred this cheese like a boss, not like a chump. Use a fucking cheese grater, you're a chump. And the full recipe in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and please, if you like this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the comments. Thank you. All right,